Today, we're diving into a thrilling era of the motorcycles of your youth, the 1960s. This decade not only brought us iconic music and Americana, but also motorcycle design, innovative engineering, with a culture that embraced freedom on two wheels. Sure, you remember shining up your bike, topping off the tank, and hitting the drag. So let's explore some of the most popular motorcycles of the 1960s and what made them legends. First up, we have the Harley-Davidson Electra Glide, introduced in 1965. What made the Electra Glide so popular? It was designed for long-distance touring, providing unmatched comfort and stability. Riders loved the laid-back cruising style, making it a staple on American highways. The 1965 Electra Glide was revolutionary, as it was the first Harley to feature an electric starter, moving away from the traditional kickstart method. This innovation made it more accessible and user-friendly, especially for long-distance riders. Powered by the 74 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Electra Glide offered plenty of torque and a smooth ride. Its performance was well-suited for cruising long distances, which was a big draw for touring enthusiasts. The 4-speed transmission provided a reliable and enjoyable ride, while the bike's overall design helped improve handling on highways and back roads alike. The Electra Glide set the standard for touring motorcycles, paving the way for future models in the Harley lineup. It appealed to the burgeoning motorcycle touring culture of the 1960s, attracting riders looking for comfort and style on long journeys. The Electra Glide has made appearances in various movies and television shows, including the famous Easy Rider, which solidified its status as a symbol of freedom and rebellion. For many, riding a Harley, especially a classic model like the Electra Glide, represents freedom and adventure. This motorcycle evokes memories of the open road and the camaraderie among riders. Today, the 1965 Electra Glide is a sought-after classic among collectors and enthusiasts. Its rarity and historical significance make it a prized possession for those who appreciate vintage motorcycles. Many older Harley models are known for their simplicity, making them relatively easier to restore and maintain compared to modern bikes. This appeals to those who enjoy working on their own machines. Next on our list is the Honda CB750, released in 1969. The CB750 was a game-changer. It combined performance, reliability, and affordability. Its innovative design and performance led to it becoming a favorite among both casual riders and serious enthusiasts. Often hailed as the first true superbike, the CB750 introduced a combination of performance, reliability, and comfort that set new standards for the motorcycle industry. The CB750 featured a 736 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine with a double overhead cam DOHC design. This setup provided smooth power delivery and impressive performance for its time, making it a joy to ride. It was one of the first production motorcycles to come equipped with front disc brakes, significantly improving stopping power and safety, which was revolutionary compared to the drum brakes common at the time. The CB750 was designed for both speed and comfort, making it an excellent choice for long rides. Its innovative frame design contributed to excellent handling and stability. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the CB750's performance was adaptable, appealing to a wide range of riders. The CB750 quickly became a symbol of motorcycle culture, featured in films and popular media. It represented a shift toward more powerful and sophisticated motorcycles, appealing to a generation of riders seeking freedom and adventure. For many riders who grew up in the late 1960s and 1970s, the CB750 evokes fond memories of road trips and camaraderie with fellow bikers. The 1969 model is highly sought after by collectors, and owning one is often seen as a badge of honor among motorcycle enthusiasts. Its rarity and historical significance make it a prized addition to any collection. Even today, the styling of the CB750 remains iconic, with its sleek lines and classic look appealing to both vintage enthusiasts and modern riders alike. Moving on, we can't forget the BSA Gold Star, especially the 650 cubic centimeters models produced in the early 60s. This British classic was known for its racing pedigree. The BSA Gold Star earned its reputation on the racetrack, particularly at the famed Isle of Man TT and various scrambles events. Its success in competition made it a desirable machine for both racers and enthusiasts. The Gold Star featured a classic design with a distinctive fuel tank and a beautifully crafted frame. The overall look is a blend of elegance and ruggedness, which appeals to those who appreciate vintage style. The Gold Star was powered by an available 499 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, renowned for its performance and reliability. The engine provided a thrilling riding experience, with plenty of torque for spirited acceleration. Weighing in at around 350 pounds, the Gold Star was lightweight for its time, allowing for nimble handling and easy maneuverability, which made it a favorite for both street riding and off-road events. In the 1960s, the BSA Gold Star became a symbol of the British motorcycle scene, often associated with the emerging youth culture and the burgeoning custom motorcycle movement. It was popular among rockers and mods alike. For many men who grew up in the 1960s, the Gold Star represents an era of freedom and exploration. Memories of weekend rides and social gatherings centered around motorcycles often come rushing back when discussing this model. Today, the BSA Gold Star is highly collectible. Enthusiasts treasure them for their racing history and classic British design, making them prized possessions for those who appreciate vintage motorcycles. Many owners enjoy the challenge of restoring a Gold Star, as parts are still available from various suppliers. The bike's mechanical simplicity makes it a rewarding project for those who enjoy hands-on work. Next, we have the Triumph Bonneville, a model that became synonymous with the 1960s motorcycle culture. Introduced in 1959, its popularity soared throughout the 60s. The Bonavville became synonymous with the counterculture movement of the 1960s, often associated with the rebellious spirit of the era. Its sleek lines and minimalist design embody the classic cafe racer aesthetic. With its elegant tank, chrome accents, and dual exhausts, the Bonneville is visually striking. Its design has remained influential, inspiring many modern motorcycles while retaining a timeless appeal. The Bonneville was powered by a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering a thrilling riding experience with plenty of torque. Its performance made it one of the fastest motorcycles of its time, often competing directly with other iconic models. The Bonneville was developed for speed and performance, achieving notable success in racing. In the 1960s, it was used by many racers, cementing its status in motorsport history. Today, the 1960s Bonneville is highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts. Its rarity and historical significance make it a prized possession, often restored to showcase its original beauty. Another notable entry is the Yamaha YDS3, released in 1966. The YGS3 features a sleek, sporty design typical of the 1960s Japanese motorcycles. Its rounded tank, chrome accents, and elegant lines give it a classic appeal that many find nostalgic. With a relatively lightweight design, around 340 pounds, the YGS3 was known for its nimbleness and agility, making it an enjoyable ride for both city commuting and spirited country roads. The YGS3 was powered by a 250 cubic centimeters, two-stroke parallel twin engine, known for its peppy performance. This engine configuration allowed for quick acceleration and a spirited riding experience, ideal for the younger riders of the era. The YGS3 came equipped with features such as an oil injection system, which eliminated the need for premixing fuel and oil, making it user-friendly and convenient for riders. The YGS3 played a significant role in Yamaha's growth as a major player in the motorcycle industry during the 1960s. It was part of the brand's strategy to capture the growing market for lightweight, accessible motorcycles. Today, the YGS3 is a sought-after classic, appreciated for its unique characteristics and historical significance. Collectors often seek them out for restoration projects, adding to their value and charm. Whether you're a fan of classic cruisers or sporty superbikes, These machines defined an era of freedom and innovation. Which motorcycle from the 60s is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome motorcycle content. Until next time, keep on riding.